A pipe wrench consists of several essential parts, each designed to work together for gripping, adjusting, and turning pipes effectively. 1. Handle. The handle is the long, rigid part of the wrench that provides leverage to turn pipes. Made from durable materials like steel, cast iron, or aluminum, it's designed to withstand high torque while offering a comfortable grip. Some models have textured or rubber-coated handles for improved ergonomics. 2. Hook jaw, movable jaw. The hook jaw is the adjustable component that clamps onto the pipe. It features serrated teeth that dig into the pipe surface for a secure hold. This jaw can be moved closer to or farther from the stationary jaw using the adjustment nut, accommodating various pipe sizes. 3. Stationary jaw. The stationary jaw is fixed to the handle and works with the hook jaw to grip the pipe securely. Like the hook jaw, it has serrated teeth to prevent slippage. Its position ensures stability, acting as the opposing force to the adjustable jaw. 4. Adjustment nut. This threaded mechanism controls the opening width between the hook and stationary jaws. Rotating the nut moves the hook jaw up or down, allowing the wrench to fit different pipe diameters. It's designed for smooth operation to ensure precise adjustments. 5. Knurling or swivel handle. Knurling or a swivel handle is located near the adjustment nut, offering additional grip for finer adjustments. This feature minimizes slipping during use, especially in wet or oily conditions, ensuring greater control over the tool. 6. Spring mechanism. The spring mechanism inside the wrench helps maintain proper tension between the jaws. This ensures the hook jaw remains stable when gripping the pipe, providing a consistent and firm hold during operation. 7. Teeth or serrations. Both the hook and stationary jaws are equipped with serrated teeth that grip the pipe securely. These teeth prevent the wrench from slipping while turning pipes, but they require maintenance to stay sharp and effective over time. 8. Body material. The main body of the pipe wrench, including the handle and jaws, is typically made of cast iron, steel, or aluminum. Steel and cast iron provide durability for heavy-duty tasks, while aluminum offers a lightweight alternative for extended use. 9. Jaw pins. Jaw pins connect the hook jaw to the wrench body, allowing it to move smoothly during adjustments. These pins are critical for maintaining the wrench's structural integrity and enabling precise jaw positioning. 10. Heel jaw. The heel jaw is part of the stationary jaw and serves as a support point for gripping. It reinforces the grip by counteracting the force applied by the hook jaw, ensuring stability and effective pipe manipulation.